Hello guys, this video is gonna be completely different to what you're used to seeing on my channel. Actually, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a Dominican wash and set. If you're interested, please keep watching. You'll need a rat tail comb, a paddle brush, a heat protectant spray for your hair, hair serum, and leave-in conditioner. You'll need hair clips, rollers, and a hair dryer. You're also gonna need a hair net like this one. When you blow dry the hair, you're gonna need brown brushes and some hair clips. I prefer using butterfly clips, but I ain't got none, so I'm gonna use these. And you also need a blow dryer with the concentrator on. All right, so if you need to, go ahead and spray the hair with water. And now you're gonna take your leave-in conditioner, and depending again on how much hair you have, how long it is, that's how much you're gonna put on her hair down. So I'm just gonna use a little bit for her hair. And I'm gonna make sure I go through, and I'm just gonna incorporate it all over her hair. And now I'm just gonna brush the hair down so I can make sure that I incorporate all the products in. And again, you don't want a lot of product because then it'll weigh your hair down. Okay, so since she has bangs, I'm gonna go ahead and do her bangs first. You gotta make sure that the ends are completely smooth. And then you're just gonna start rolling it and grabbing the hair on the sides. And now I'm just gonna insert the hair clip. You do want these to be a little tight. And you need to make sure that the hair is completely wet.
She has so much hair. God bless your hair, girl.
So you just want the sections to be less wide than your rollers. Because if not, it's gonna come out on the edges. And then I'm just gonna take a little section of hair. And since her hair is really long, I'm using a big roller. Like I said before, you have to make sure that your ends are completely smooth. So very tight, you're just gonna grab this and you're just gonna start rolling your hair, making sure that none of the hair on the sides stick out. And then we're gonna insert the pin. And I'm gonna put one on the other side. I'm gonna do one more behind this one, and then I'm gonna work on the sides. And I'm just gonna insert the clip again on both sides. And now I'm gonna work on this side. And I'm just gonna do part right here in between these two big rollers. And then I'm gonna do a part here. And now I'm gonna comb this hair forward. I'm just gonna keep repeating the process. Again, the ends have to be smooth. And now with the tail of my comb, I'm just gonna start grabbing small sections. Remember to make them as wide as the roller. With my thumbs, I'm just pushing the hair in as I roll up. So again, I just made the part in between these two big rollers here. I'm just following the line, and then I'm just gonna make a part right here in the middle. And I'm gonna pull this hair forward, and again, the ends need to be smooth. And then I'm gonna take another little section here. Okay, now we're gonna work in the back. And I'm gonna spray again because your hair needs to be completely wet. So I'm gonna take a little section of hair. This honestly doesn't have to be perfect. The parts don't have to be perfect. The only thing that does have to be perfect is the ends. You need to smooth the ends. And I'm gonna grab another little section here. So now I'm just gonna work my way this way. And here I'm just using smaller rollers because I ran out. There's no reason in specific. I just ran out of the bigger ones. Now I'm going to spray her hair with the heat protectant. And now I'm going to put the hairnet. Make sure all the rollers are inside the hairnet. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm going to put her hair to dry in the dryer. And the time depends on how long your hair is or how much hair you have. For her, she has a lot of hair. So I'm going to put her in the dryer for about an hour or two. And of course, I'm not going to leave her in there the whole time. She needs to take a break, so, because she's only a little bulbous. Put her hair to dry for about an hour or two, and then I'm going to blow dry her. Once your hair is done drying, you're going to remove your rollers and you're going to brush your hair out with the paddle brush. So I went ahead and I parted the hair, and I'm just going to work on half of that section here. And I'm just going to spray some heat protectant on it. So now, being careful not to burn your scalp or your hands, I'm going to turn the blow dryer on to high heat. Now I'm going to start blow drying the hair, and using my thumb and the brush, I'm going to tug slightly on the hair. I'm going to do that to all sides. So I'm going to do it on the top, on the side, the bottom, and the other side, okay? And now I'm just going to keep on blow drying her hair until it's shiny and straight. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And now with my thumb and a bigger brush, I'm going to grab the whole section of hair and I'm going to repeat the same thing. And then I'm just going to keep repeating the same thing till I get to the top of the head. I'm just grabbing small, thinner sections. I'm going to slightly tug on her hair. So as you can see here, I keep on switching from a bigger brush to a smaller one. The reason I use the smaller one is so I can get closer to the scalp. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the sides and the front, but just be careful not to burn your ears or your face. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now that I'm done blow drying her hair, I'm just going to add some serum to it, and that's it. We are finally done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so exhausted. That's it. That is how I do a Dominican Wash and Set. And it took me forever because, again, she has so much hair. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.